Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm so excited to share with you guys this clean and decorate with me. My bedroom is far from finished, but I did want to get started, and I said let me bring you guys in to a clean and decorate with me. I really wanted this space to be still comfy and cozy, but I did want to bring in some Christmas elements into the bedroom. It is, like I said, far from finished, but I did want to get started and bring you guys along with me. So if you want to see me get started cleaning this bedroom and decorating for Christmas, then keep on watching. Okay guys, the first thing I need to do is get this dresser wiped down. I had Nick take the TV out so I can see exactly how dirty behind it was, and as you can see there's dust here and we need to take care of that. So I grab my Swiffer as always and I just get rid of that top layer of dust, like the bigger chunks. This is really great for that if you're just needing something to really quickly wipe down and trap the dust at the same time. It always does a good job. I love this little thing. And then I need to tackle this fan. Like, as I was wiping, I saw the fan. I was like, you know what? I need to go ahead and Swiffer this as well. But it needed a much deeper clean. So what I had to do was literally take this apart, go in and Swiffer anything that I possibly could so it didn't fly everywhere. And then I went in and wiped down after.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is
Once I was done with the fan, I went in with my pledge on top of the longer dresser and I just wiped that down. And I love the finish. That pledge always leaves nothing greasy, just nice and shiny. Then I moved on to the chest drawer and I went ahead and removed any dirt, any old papers, anything that we didn't need had to be removed from up there. And then I put on a new Swiffer little sheet, fluffed that out, and I was ready to wipe down that chest drawer because it was also filthy, very, very dirty up there, and I Swiffered everything up immediately.
The size is me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir perform. And all
once I was done with the dusting, I took a shower and I was like, okay, it's time to tackle the bed, change the sheets, and putting on something nice and white and crisp. I love white sheets, and I got these ones from Bed Bath & Beyond. I believe they are about 400, 500 count, thread count. I try not to go below 300 because sheets can feel really like, you know, just scratchy on the skin, but I really like these ones from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'll definitely link them below so you guys can check those out and grab them.
Christmas songs that we love, and in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can
Once I got done with that duvet, I also found the pillow casings for it. I was like, oh, I have matching pillow case. I did not remember I had these. So I aggressively fluff my pillows. If everybody else does this, let me know down in the comment section. I have feathered pillows, so anytime I need them fluffed perfectly, like I feel like I have to shake them really aggressively to make sure that all the feathers are still moving around. I love feathered pillows, guys. I find that they don't smush ever. As long as you fluff them properly, you're good.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside, outside, outside.
Last but not least, my final touch here is this cute Believe pillow. If you watched my last shop with me at Bed Bath & Beyond, then you know I picked this one up. I think it matches perfectly with this look. I really, really love this, guys. If I do add a pop of color, I'll probably use my Euro pillows for that, but I am moving on to this TV because I needed to dust it as well. I did see some dust at the little feet parts, and I also found some scuff marks or something on it. I don't know what it was. You can see it. I don't know what that is. It looks weird, but I need to get rid of it. So I used my Windex multi-surface cleaner, and I just took a paper towel and wiped that off, and it actually cleaned it really good.
Cold outside, last night, last night, last night. It's cold outside, last night, last night.
Now it's time to decorate. I'm using a garland I got from Michael's, and also these two cone trees and some, what is that, like potpourri I got from Michael's as well, but the cone trees I got from Home Goods. And I'm just taking out the garland that I got from Michael's and stretching it out, making sure no knots or bends are in it, and just straightening those out before I lift it on to the dresser. I also wanted to mimic what I did in the living room. So if you watched my living room clean and decorate with me, you would have seen what I did there. But this time I didn't add any balls just yet because I really don't know what other accent colors I want in the bedroom. But I did know I wanted a garland somewhere in here, and I think around the TV would be perfect. Once I got the garland where I wanted it, it was time to figure out where I wanted these cone trees to be. I know I wanted them on the side, but I wasn't sure if I wanted it outside or inside the garland. I put one inside to see what that would look like on one side of the TV. But before I figure that out, I need to get these bowls done. You guys saw when I picked these up. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I got those from the Dollarama. And I also got this potpourri set from Michael. So now I'm just pouring that into this bowl because I want this to be a little accent piece over at the chest dresser, the taller dresser, to have something on it for right now. And I really like how this bowl was big enough to fit all of this inside. That one, I was like, oh, I need to fill up the other one. So I'm going to be using some scented pinecones that I got from Michael's and some fillers that I got from Michael's, some silver and white filler, just bowl fillers that are gonna give me some height for these pine cones because I didn't want just a bowl full of pine cones. I wanted to add something else to them as well.
Sleigh bells are ringing out by the sea, sending a message of love and sympathy.
Once I added the filler, it was time to figure out which pine cones I needed to fit in here. Since the mouthpiece isn't that wide, I could only fit about 2 or 3 of these pine cones in here. I really wanted some nice ones to be sticking out. And then I thought, where would this look amazing? And I was like, you know what? This is beautiful. I would love for this to stay in my room, but I figured I would move it out into the bathroom area. I thought that this looked so good in the bathroom. The bathroom doesn't have any decor right now. So I was like, you know what? This would be perfect for the bathroom. It adds a bit of Christmas cheer and some good scent in the bathroom. Back to my room, I had some leftover pine cones. So what I did was I added it to the first decor bowl that I made just to give that some height as well. And just to make use of the other pine cones, I also added them inside of the garland because the garland has pine cones in it already, but I figured it would look really good with the live ones in it as well. and just add a touch of different sizes and variations in the pine cones.
Out by the sea, sending a message of love and sympathy.
As much as I love decorating, it's time to clean up all the mess I made. I had to pick up all those little sticks that fell out of the scented pine cones, put them in a plastic bag, and get vacuuming with my little Bissell Turbo Stick vacuum. You guys already know I love this little thing. It's affordable and it gets the job done. Picks up whatever I need. This is the only room in the house that has carpet, so that's why I was like, I only need a little vacuum that has some power. Once it has some power and does the job, I'm fine.
I've been waiting by the phone, and this song will meet you at the door. This Christmas will be something unreal. Baby, I'm falling under your charm. All I ever wanted, got you wrapped up.
That is it for right now, guys. I really like how everything came together in the bedroom. I love the garland by the TV. It's lit. It looks really good. I still don't know how I want to handle those cones, but I love the little potpourri bowl I made with the pine cones and the filler. I really like the little pillow that I added to the bed. It's very beautiful accent. I really like that. And once I turned those lights off, guys, woo, everything glistened and sparkled, and I was like, yes, this bedroom is coming together. I am far from finished, but I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I can't wait to give you the full tour once everything is done. See you guys soon. Bye.